So check it out. A buddy of mine sent me this Coca Cola combination car. It's one of those ON3 Bradford Exchange Hawthorne Village cars. And he wanted to see what it would look like with Marx trucks, so he gave me a good deal on some scale cars, and I took the set off one of the most beat up ones, an old beat up caboose. And I put them on. I also put in a pickup shoe that I had for scale trucks. And I took out the little P light that they had in there, and I put in a 5mm 19-volt LED to light it up. And I've got it sitting behind my Coca-Cola train. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. I'll probably be turning the camera. So here we go. All right, the old Coca-Cola Commodore Vanderbilt smokes pretty good. I also painted the inlays there red to kind of match the Coca-Cola car. I thought I'd add that to it. But anyway, it's so if you ever want to know what those Bradford Exchange cars would look like with O-scale trucks or scale Marx trucks on them, they look pretty good. I shined everything up, and so again, thanks to my buddy Larry for sending it to me. And thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.